Guys, an NBA team is now accepting payments in Dogecoin. That is huge. We are going to see other teams do this. We are going to see other sporting events do this. And other companies and places around the world are going to start accepting payments in Dogecoin. That is huge. In today's video, we are going to be discussing this late and breaking news about Dogecoin. We're also going to be breaking Dogecoin on a technical chart. We're going to be giving some accurate price predictions for Dogecoin. So make sure you guys stay tuned until the end of the video because I have some very important information that you need to hear about Dogecoin. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Miles with MYLESGINVESTMENTS and I have over 12 years of investment and trading experience. If you want to learn from a pro about cryptocurrencies and stocks, this is the channel. So make sure you guys subscribe and hit that notification bell because you do not want to miss a single video that I put out. I put out videos covering time-sensitive things. I call out big plays before they happen. So if you want to find big plays before they happen so you can make the most out of your money and investments, make sure you subscribe. Also guys, make sure to check out my Patreon and the free Discord. We have over 400 members, and in my Patreon I offer classes, I offer my trade alerts. You guys can see what I'm buying, you guys can see what I'm selling. If you guys are interested in that, my financial coaching, go ahead and check that out. All right guys, from what we can gather, last night there was a big sell-off with Bitcoin, with Ethereum, and all of that comes together, including Dogecoin. But we have seen a massive rise since today with Dogecoin. Dogecoin is outperforming Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of the altcoins, and Dogecoin is continuing to climb. It is very possible that even tonight we could see a massive breakout for Dogecoin. But then later in the video, we are going to be breaking down Dogecoin in a technical chart. But right now, we need to talk about some very important pieces of news for Dogecoin. Look guys, there's an NBA team that is accepting payments in Dogecoin. Look, it says Dogecoin payments to be accepted by this NBA team. And who is it? It's the Dallas Mavericks, and they are allowing it to be done through BitPay. So through BitPay, you can purchase tickets, you can purchase merchandise, and it says the Mavericks have decided to accept Dogecoin as a payments for Mav tickets and merchandise for one very important, earth-shattering reason: because we can. Because we can, we have chosen to do so. Says so Mark Cuban. Mark Cuban is very bullish on Bitcoin. Mark Cuban is very bullish on Ethereum, and especially Mark Cuban is very bullish on Dogecoin. That's why he's not accepting Bitcoin. That's why he's not accepting Ethereum. He's very bullish on accepting Dogecoin because he knows Dogecoin is going to be taking off in the future. He knows Dogecoin is super cheap and that Dogecoin is going to be worth a lot of money in the future. That is why a lot of us are investing in Dogecoin. That is why a lot of us are scooping up Dogecoin and these prices when it breaks down to the downside, because we believe Dogecoin is going to hit eventually $1. I don't know how long it's going to take for Dogecoin to hit $1. It could very possibly be the end of the year, guys. Yes, right now we're going through some turbulence in the stock markets and with cryptos. Even though they're being beaten down, that is healthy and that is part of a bull cycle. That is part of a bull run to see a 20 or 30% correction. But we are about to break out to the upside with Dogecoin and with cryptos, so make sure you guys fasten your seatbelts. So yes, guys, that is huge news for Dogecoin, that Dogecoin is acceptable payment for this NBA team. Do you think this is going to be the only NBA team? Do you think this is going to be the only baseball team, the only football team that is going to do that? No. They are going to do it, but they are going to cause other NBA teams. They're going to cause other sports. They're going to cause other people to take a stand to the big man and allow people to purchase their items, their merchandise through Dogecoin. So we are possibly going to be seeing a ripple effect because of what Mark Cuban is doing. These celebrities out there like Mark Cuban, like Elon Musk, they are trying to revolutionize the world. They're trying to revolutionize the way people invest, and a part of that is going to be through cryptocurrency, which is decentralized currency, and Dogecoin is one of the leaders within this space. So we are not only going to be seeing in the future a massive adoption by Bitcoin and Ethereum, but we are going to be seeing a massive adoption of Dogecoin with Cardano, with XRP, with Luna, with Ravencoin, with many other coins, and these are going to be acceptable payments everywhere in the future. We are going to see that, yes guys, in the future. More people, more banks, more places, more things are going to start allowing these things to be purchased, traded, borrowed, get houses with cryptocurrencies, with Dogecoin. So this is just the beginning of all of this cryptocurrency space. Yes guys, this is just the beginning. So that possibly in 5 to 10 years from now, who knows how much Dogecoin could be? Who knows how much a $500 investment in Dogecoin 10 years down the road could be? $500 investment could possibly turn into millions of dollars. It could possibly turn into tens of thousands of dollars. Just like Bitcoin. When nobody knew what Bitcoin was, when nobody projected what Bitcoin could do, 5 years down the road, several years down the road, a $500 investment turned into millions and millions of dollars. So how much more could it not be for Dogecoin? What do you guys think Dogecoin will be in 10 years from now? Let me know in the comments. All right, guys, so right now we're looking at a technical chart, and what we can see is we are seeing a massive breakout, guys. Just like I called out in my last video last night, we're seeing a breakout, a 7% breakout. And if you're trading with leverage, you could have turned this thing into, with at least 10x leverage, 64%. Who knows, even 100% if you're using more leverage. But guys, what we are seeing is we are about to come and test key levels of resistance, guys. Yes, if we surpass this, remember I call out in my video that we could possibly see 5.5 cents, maybe by Friday, maybe this weekend. And I certainly think that is possible, especially if Bitcoin and Ethereum can pump and they can break out to the upside. But Dogecoin is pumping despite being Bitcoin and Ethereum being beaten down. But if we as Dogecoin can break out past this level of resistance and then continue to break out, we are going to see some big highs for Dogecoin. And Dogecoin is not going to continue to consolidate in these lower levels. No, we're going to break out and consolidate and remain in these higher levels and continue to move up each and every step of the way. But a lot of people are projecting Bitcoin to hit $100,000 by the end of this month. If Bitcoin were to hit and Ethereum were to break these all-time highs again and hit massive numbers, it is very possible that we could see a 10 cent to 15 to 20 cent Dogecoin, guys. Yes, at the end of this month, we could possibly see that. That might not very well happen, but it's certainly a possibility that we must be aware of, guys. In a bull market, in a bull cycle with cryptocurrencies can do some very crazy things and they can grow very fast. So yes, guys, you need to be patient in these cycles, because in these bull cycles, these bull runs, when Bitcoin, when Ethereum, when our cryptocurrencies, when they get beaten down a lot, they have to retrace 20 to 30%. And there's a cool off period, and then they go back up. So we are in that cool off period. We are in that consolidation period for a week, for 2 weeks, who knows how long it's going to be. But then we're going to continue this bull run, this bull cycle. And it is not over, guys. Even though the stock market is crashing, Dogecoin is going to outperform the market. Dogecoin is outperforming the market and is outperforming pretty much every crypto asset out there. So if you guys like today's video, please hit that like button and subscribe. Share this video with some of your friends if it was meaningful to you. Below up the comment section, let's talk. Meet me in Discord and check out the Patreon, and I will see you guys tomorrow.